Hello! Welcome back, everyone, to the Linguasphere Academy Podcast. I'm Alex, and I have to tell you, I had a moment at work this week that made me think about today's topic.
And I'm Sam, right here with you. Ooh, what happened?
I was in the break room getting coffee, and a colleague I don't know very well came in. She smiled and said, "How's your day going?" And for a split second, my brain just froze.
Even you? Even after all these years?
Yes, it's not about language level. It's about those everyday work moments. The small talk, the meetings, the emails, the questions. They can feel so awkward.
Work conversations are their own special world. There's a certain way people talk, certain phrases you hear over and over, and if you're not familiar with them, it can feel like everyone else knows a secret language.
Today, our topic is English conversation at work, and we're going to unlock that secret language for you.
We'll cover everything: greetings and small talk, meetings and presentations, emails and messages, talking to your boss, chatting with coworkers, even handling problems.
By the end of this episode, you'll feel more confident walking into any work situation and handling it in English.
As always, we'll speak clearly and keep it friendly. Lots of examples, lots of repetition. You'll sound like a pro.
So get comfortable. Let's start at the very beginning, walking into the office.
Morning greetings. This is how every workday starts. Simple but important.
Good morning. Morning. Hey, how's it going? How are you today?
You don't need a long answer. Just, good, thanks. You? Or, doing well, how about you? Is perfect.
If someone asks, "How's your day going?" you can say, "Pretty good, thanks. Busy morning." Or, "Can't complain. You?"
Notice we don't usually give real detailed answers. It's just a friendly ritual.
Now, small talk. Before meetings, in the break room, by the coffee machine.
Common topics: the weather, weekend plans, what you did last night, something funny that happened.
Looks like it might rain later. Got any plans for the weekend? Did you see that game last night? This coffee is exactly what I needed.
You don't have to be brilliant, just friendly, just present.
Now, let's talk about meetings. This is where a lot of people get nervous.
Meetings have their own rhythm. There's usually an agenda. People take turns speaking, and there are certain phrases everyone uses.
At the start, someone might say, "Let's get started," or "Thanks everyone for joining."
If you want to say something, you can say, "I'd like to add something," or "If I could jump in here."
If you agree with someone, you can say, "I agree with what name said. That's a great point. I think so too."
If you disagree politely, you can say, "I see your point, but have we considered," or "That's an interesting perspective. I wonder if we could also think about."
If you don't understand something, could you clarify what you mean by that? "I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat it?"
If you need time to think, you can say, "Let me think about that for a moment," or "That's a good question. I'd like to come back to it."
At the end, someone might say, "Any final thoughts?" or "Let's wrap up here." You can say, "Thanks everyone," or "Great discussion."
Now let's talk about talking to your boss. This can feel scary, but it doesn't have to be.
When you need something, do you have a moment to chat? Could I get your feedback on something?
When you have a question, you can say, "I'm not sure about this task. Could you help me understand?" Or, "What's the priority on this?"
When you finished something, "I've completed the report. Let me know if you need any changes." Or, "Just wanted to update you on my progress."
When you're struggling, you can say, "I'm running into some challenges with this task. Could we discuss it?" Or, "I might need a little more time on this."
Your boss is human. They want you to succeed. Clear communication helps everyone. Now, let's talk about chatting with coworkers. This is where friendships happen.
At lunch, "What did you bring for lunch? Smells good. Anyone want to grab lunch together? There's a new place around the corner. Want to try it?"
About work, "How's your project going? Busy day? I can't believe how much we have to do."
About life, "How are the kids? Did you do anything fun this weekend? I'm so tired today. Didn't sleep well."
These conversations make work feel like a community. They matter.
Now let's talk about emails and messages. So much work happens in writing.
For a simple update, just a quick update on project. I've finished task and will start next task tomorrow.
For a question, quick question about topic. Could you let me know specific question? Thanks.
For a request, would it be possible to ask? I'd really appreciate it.
For a thank you, thanks so much for your help with task. Really appreciate it.
For a meeting request, do you have time to meet this week? Let me know what works for you.
Keep emails clear and polite. Short sentences, no drama.
Now, let's talk about handling problems. Things go wrong sometimes.
If you make a mistake, I realized I made an error on this task. I'm fixing it now and will have it corrected by time.
If you need help, I'm stuck on this problem. Could you point me in the right direction?
If there's a misunderstanding, you can say, I think there might be some confusion about this topic. Could we clarify?
If you're overwhelmed, you can say, I have a lot on my plate right now. Could we discuss priorities?
Honest communication solves most problems. Don't hide, just say it.
Now, let's learn some useful work phrases.
Starting conversations. How's your day going? Got a minute to chat? Hope you're having a good week.
In meetings, I'd like to add something. If I could jump in here. Could you clarify that? Great point. Let's circle back to that.
Asking for help. Could you help me with this? I'm not sure about task. Do you have any advice on this?
Giving updates. Just wanted to update you on I've finished task. I'm working on task and should have it by time.
Ending conversations. Thanks for your time. Let me know if you need anything. Have a great rest of your day.
Now, let's bring back Maya. Maya just started a new job in an English-speaking office.
She's nervous. Everyone speaks so fast. She's afraid of making mistakes.
On her first day, her boss says, "Good morning. How are you settling in?"
Maya remembers. Short answer. Good, thanks. Everyone's been so helpful.
Perfect. Friendly, simple.
Later, a coworker asks her to lunch. Hey, a few of us are going to grab sandwiches. Want to come?
Maya's first instinct is to say no, she's too nervous, but she says yes. I'd love to. Thanks for inviting me.
At lunch, they talk about food, the neighborhood, weekend plans. Maya listens more than she talks. That's okay.
In a meeting, someone asks for her opinion. Her heart races, but she says, I think the design looks great. Maybe we could try a brighter color.
It's not a long speech, it's just her thought. And people nod. They listen. She survives.
A few weeks later, she sends her first email to a coworker. Hi, Sarah. Just checking in on the report. Let me know if you need anything from me. Thanks.
Sarah replies, Thanks, Maya. All good. We'll send it over by Friday.
Maya is working, she's communicating, she's part of the team.
She's not perfect. She still gets nervous, but she's doing it.
That's the goal. Not perfection, participation.
Now let's talk about how to practice work English.
First, listen to work conversations. On TV shows, in podcasts, even in coffee shops. Notice the phrases people use.
Second, practice common phrases out loud. How's your day going? I'd like to add something. Say them until they feel natural.
Third, write sample emails. Pretend you're writing to a coworker. Keep it simple and polite.
Fourth, role play with a friend. One of you is the boss, one is the employee. Practice meetings, questions, small talk.
Fifth, use it at work. Even if you're nervous, try one new phrase each day.
Now, here's your challenge for this week.
Use one new work phrase every day. Just one.
Monday, how's your day going? To a coworker. Tuesday, I'd like to add something in a meeting. Wednesday, thanks for your help in an email. Thursday, great point when someone speaks. Friday, have a great weekend as you leave.
One phrase. That's all. Build the habit.
Then share with us in the comments. Tell us what phrase you used and how it felt.
We read every comment. We celebrate every win.
Remember, everyone at work was once new. Everyone felt awkward. Everyone made mistakes.
You belong there. Your voice matters, and with practice, it gets easier.
Thank you for spending this time with us. We'll be back next week with another topic.
Until then, be brave at work. Try one new thing. You've got this.
And hey, before you go, if this episode helped you feel more ready for work, please hit that subscribe button. It's free, and it means we can keep making these practical episodes.
Yes, please. And leave us a comment. Tell us, what's the most challenging work situation for you in English? We want to help.
We read every comment. Your questions become our next episodes.
Subscribe, comment, share. It helps more learners build their work confidence.
Thanks again, everyone. Now go have a great conversation at work.
Bye!